Welcome to Jil Ibda American School. Our lesson today about how to estimate mixed number quotient. Okay, listen and look to this video, please carefully.
The essential understanding for this lesson is rounding and compatible numbers can be used to estimate the quotient of mixed numbers. Previously, students used rounding and compatible numbers to estimate quotients of whole numbers. In this lesson, students estimate the quotient of two mixed numbers by rounding each number to the nearest whole or by using compatible numbers. This problem is key because students are asked to estimate the quotient of mixed numbers to estimate the solution to an equation. Listen and look for students who try to estimate the quotient by rounding each mixed number to the nearest whole number. They round 45 3/4 to 46 and 9 1/8 to 9, but then they get stuck because 9 does not divide 46 evenly. Remind these students that if rounding does not give numbers that are easy to compute mentally, they should try using compatible numbers. Listen and look for other students who use compatible numbers to estimate the quotient. 45 is close to 45 3/4. 9 is close to 9 1/8. And 45 divided by 9 is easy to divide, 5. So these students find that the width of the room is about 5 feet. These students demonstrate an understanding of how to estimate the quotient of mixed numbers. This will help students to check exact answers for reasonableness and to solve problems when an exact answer is not needed.
Okay, now we have two methods for estimate, rounding and compatible. Okay, you can choose from two methods to solve the problem. Maybe rounding not suitable for your problem, you can use compatible, but I preferred always to use compatible method. Okay, now look and listen to another video for more understanding.
How can you estimate the quotient of mixed numbers? Think about this question during the lesson. Lillian and her friends can hike an average of 3 5/8 miles per hour. About how many hours will it take them to hike the trail? What mathematical operation involves taking the total hiking distance and separating it into equal smaller distances per hour?
Select your answer.
We can use divided.
The mathematical operation is division. Estimate the quotient 15 5/6 divided by 3 5/8 to solve the problem. Why can you use estimation to solve the problem? You can use estimation to solve the problem because the question asks about how many. Here is one way to solve the problem. Round to the nearest whole number by comparing the fractions to 1/2. Both 5/6 and 5/8 are greater than 1/2, so round both mixed numbers up to the nearest whole number. So 15 5/6 divided by 3 5/8 is approximately 4. It will take Lillian and her friends about 4 hours to finish their hike. Another way to solve the problem is using compatible numbers. What is the definition of compatible numbers? Compatible numbers are numbers that are close to the actual numbers and easy to compute mentally. Both examples are easy to compute and close to the actual dividend and divisor. So an estimate of 4 or 5 hours for the hike is reasonable.
Okay, now we move to the practical part. Hi guys, now the practical part. Okay, I will listen today about how to estimate dividing mixed number. Okay, 39 and 4 over 5 divided by 9.5. We have two methods for estimating. The first one is a compatible numbers. The second one is rounding. Okay, you can choose from the two methods. Okay, maybe one method suitable for the problem and another doesn't suitable. Okay, now to make it easy, start with the dividend 9.5. Okay, what is the nearest number to 9.5? Okay, 9.5, the nearest number to 9.5 equals 10. Why? Because have estimated to 1. 1 and 9 equals 10. Then we estimate the divisor by a number, okay, suitable to divided by 10. What is the number closest to 39 and 4 over 5 and divisible by 10? Table 10, 39 and 4 over 5 nearest to what? Yes, 40. Now we have 40 divided 10 equals 4. Okay, another solution here, we use the compatible number. We can use rounding. Okay, 39 and 4 over 5. 4 over 5 greater than half. Why? Half 5, 2.5. And the 4 is greater than 2.5. So 4 over 5 greater than 1. Now 39 and 4 over 5 equals 40. Divided by half is rounding to 1 equals 10. So equals 4, the same answer. Okay, maybe the rounding number can't be suitable for another problem. Look here. If we use rounding here, 35 and 9 and 2 over 9. 2 over 9 is smaller than half because half 9 is 4.5, so it's smaller, it will be 35. Okay, divided by 8 over 9 greater than half, so it will be 6. So 35 divided 6, it can't be. So this method doesn't work here. Now we use the compatible number, and I think compatible number is very common method for estimating. Okay, 5 and 8 over 9 equals 6. Which number closest to 35 and can divide by 6? Yes, 36. Table 6, 35 is closest to 36. 36 divided 6 equal, yes, 6. 1 and 1 over 12. 1 and 1 over 12. 1 over 12 is smaller than half, it will be 1. 3 and 7 over 8. 7 over 8 is greater than half, so equals 1, and the 3 equals 4. 4 divided by 1 equals 4. 19 and 2 over 3 divided 6 and 7 over 8. We start with dividend here. So 6 and 7 over 8. 7 over 8 greater than half because half 8 is 4. So it will be 1 and 6 equals 7. What is the closest number to 19 and divided by 7? The numbers the number smallest closest to 19 and divisible by 6, 7 equal 21. So 21 divided 7 equal 3. 32 and 1 over 3 divided 7 and 2 over 3. Here 2 over 3 greater than half, it will be 8. And the closest number to 32 divided by 8 equals 32. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. 49 and 6 over 7 divided 4 and 2 over 3. What is the number? 2 over 3 is greater than half, so equals 1 plus 4 equals 5. And 49, 6 over 7, what is the number closest to 49 divided by 5? Equals 50. Now 50 divided 5 equals 10. 24 and 2 over 5 and 74 and 7 over 8. This number closest to 25 and this number closest to 75. So 75 divided 25 equal 3. Thank you.